We are back at the outlets. We're starting with Adidas today. I've already filmed a separate video in Nike, which should be out. If it's not, it'll be out just after this one. 15% off student discount, not bad. Let's see what we can find. They do have these Predators, 115 down from 240. Nice colour, but no profit in that. And then these are just all like low grade ones. Nothing special. And then the back wall here is just, yeah, nothing decent. But we keep looking. I don't see anything. £24 and some, it's literally 50% off. It's nothing special. And these have been here for about 10 years. And then those are like low grade ones. And these are kids. So other than that, nothing here. Anything good here? These don't have a price. They actually sell, believe it or not. Okay, anything here? Special offer, but £70 for campus. That is mental. £63, £70. 66 on these Sambas. Other than that, I mean, you've got triple blacks up there, but yeah, they're spenny. What have we got here? Anything? It's just all, that could be good. £32 specials. I mean, the colourway is interesting, but 32 quid minus 15%. They're like, what, 20, £28 give or take? It's not bad on those special. Other than that, these are all too spenny. And then 48 on them's too much. And then here, all of these are like 50, 60 quid. So, nothing too good. So, well, these Predators, interesting. Got Yeezy Power Phase, except they're not called Yeezy anymore. And then, literally all of them aren't worth it. And here you got cow print, 70 quid. That tongue's interesting. And then like snakeskin one, 60 quid though. Not very good. Honestly, other than that, just that handball special is decent. So I'm going to go do a little bit of research on them. But other than that, we're not looking good. To be fair, they're flying at like 45, 50 quid on good sizes, that is. And they're 32, so minus 15%, £27. So like £20 a pair. They could be quite good, to be fair. I'm confident no one's going to buy those specials. So we're going to hit New Balance. And then I want to check Asics for any personals. But I think those specials should be a cop. At 28 quid, move them at 45, making £18 a pair. But let's check New Balance. I mean, that's pretty good, 991, but they're 110. I think we'll leave them. 996, 38 quid. Could be alright, you know. It might be alright. And other than that, you got 1000s, but they're 67 quid. And there's nothing else really on discount. If you're getting any sort of value from this right now, please quickly press the subscribe button. It would be rude not to grab 5 of these at 28 quid each. Easy 100 quid profit. Great success. It was a great success. Do the shmoney dance. Do the shmoney dance. Rather than waste your time, I'm just going to quickly show you what we bought and how much profit I'm going to make. So we got 5 pairs of these Adidas handball special, like Brazil colours, £27 each, and there's sales every single day around £50. So I went with big sizes. If you didn't know, in stuff like this, Adidas, big sizes and small sizes are best. So I got a 9, 9.5, 2 10s and a 10.5. £27 each. Let's just say conservatively, they're going to sell for 40, 45. We'll just call it £20 a pair, £100 profit in what, 5 minutes work? Easy as that. And then for me, thankfully, it's only 15-minute drive there and back, so half an hour to make 100 quid. Easy as that. Of course, not every single day you're going to find crazy stuff like New Balance, but that is part of the game. Obviously, if you've seen the Nike video right now, wasn't ideal, but that's fine. We move, quick profit. These will probably be sold at your outlet by the time you see this, but there's always new stuff going out pretty much every day. Don't worry about that, but that is how easy it is to make money. And 15% off student discount, which made them 27 instead of 32, or like 28, whatever it was. It was like £136 for 5. I can't be bothered to do the maths. So that's that. I hope you did enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And maybe I'll do like a full outlet series where we go to like loads around the country. If you want that, then get this video to 199 likes minimum. Anyway, that's all from me. Goodbye. God bless. Right, so I've actually only sold 2 pairs because it took me like 2 weeks to get them listed. But let me just show you like what they sold for. As you can see, they sold for £45. And there's another pair there that also sold at £45. And when I get the other 3 listed, I predict they'll also sell at £45. Which, if I do the maths correctly, I'm using a calculator, is that profit? Lush.